This is the latest visual on your screen this morning. A chopper has landed near the Uttarakhand tunnel site, and walking out from the helicopter is the drilling expert team. They've been called from Delhi. They've reached the Silkyara end of the tunnel. There are going to be 2 chopper rides that will be taking place. This is one of those. This, remember, is because just in case there's any sort of last-minute glitch, delay to have come this far. Race against time. Therefore, these drilling experts possibly can help even more to ensure that they put that expert information of experience of several years and decades to ensure a smooth clearance for the workers. Remember, 41 trapped workers clearly must have heard. They're fully aware that all sort of effort is being done. Maybe not the magnitude of it, but at least they can hear, they know that there are people from different organizations, that the country is praying for them, and there are rescue personnel coming for them. There are families waiting to be reunited, and it's a reflection that India stands for its people and will ensure that these 41 laborers and workers from different parts of the country will be out safe and alive, and that, of course, is the prayer. But, of course, many are asking why the delay. If it was said this morning, why hasn't it happened? And while these are also fair questions, Amit Bhardwaj is who I'll go back to. Amit, for many viewers, they may not really understand about what is leading to the delay and why are more experts, more machines being brought in. So you help us understand what is happening in this last phase of that operation.
You know, a quick background, this particular terrain where we are located right now, Uttarakhand, it's one of the most vulnerable terrains, so to say. This is also a terrain where landslides happen quite often. Now, you're creating a magnificent piece of work, you know, engineering work, which is right behind me, Silkyara tunnel, cutting the hill and creating a tunnel right there to reduce the travel time of the 30-kilometer route, which takes more than 90 minutes, will be reduced by an hour when this tunnel is operational. So that is the kind of work we are doing in a very vulnerable terrain of the Himalaya. Now, even the international experts have been pointing out continuously that when you are dealing with such mountains, the unpredictable challenges might occur. So that's what happened yesterday. You know, for our viewers' understanding, the most critical part was the journey of 22 meters to 45 meters of the rescue tunnel that was being constructed. Because the debris which is already there, the pressure is quite high in that particular area. There were possibilities of meeting more and more boulders, you know, heavy obstacles on that path. But our agencies had successfully managed to get through that journey, the passage of 22 meters to 45 meters. Now, the moment when you cross that 45 meters, what you end up meeting is iron rods, several iron structures, and then this auger machine, American auger machine, which is highly sophisticated, heavy machinery, that cannot go through with these iron rods, because if you push it through, there's a possibility of those blades breaking down. Now, what happened is that the auger machine was brought back. Manually, the NDRF and SDRF jawans were sent in with the gas cutters and hydraulic cutters, and they have been manually cutting the iron rods, breaking it down. Now, remember, the strength of these iron rods and the structures which are creating obstacles, they are actually supposed to be extremely strong ones, because they give a massive support, they create a massive support system, support structure to the tunnel, and strengthens its strength, which is required at this in structures of this sort. So it will take time. Now, what happens is that once you are done with that iron structure, there is some technical support that needs to be looked into the auger machine as well. And after that, the auger machine will start working.
Stay on with me, Amit. So Amit is explaining a very technical process. It's not just about the drilling. The drilling has to be done in a way which is the best machine possible that can drill through this concrete. Then remember, it has to ensure that the debris does not fall on the trapped workers, because that will just mean more problems. But to be able to even insert through the iron bars, through the concrete of that under construction tunnel or the mountain, these are difficult procedures, and that's why you see more and more experts coming in. And the latest visual on your screen is of a chopper which has landed near the Uttarkashi tunnel site, and another team of experts from Delhi have landed. This is the Silkyara end of the tunnel, which is closer to where the trapped workers are. Amit Bhardwaj continues to bring us the details of this. Amit, it's been 12 days. It wouldn't have been easy for the trapped workers, but as we saw in the endoscopy-like camera equipment, that brought us that first visual. Because till now, everyone was talking about workers. Then we saw the faces. We saw and we heard their names. We heard them, listened to what they had to say. And it is about as much the physical condition, the psychological status, that will also be crucial when they are brought out from that tunnel, out again into civilization. What are the methods that have been kept as precautionary measures? Who all are on standby to ensure that immediately when they are pulled out, and even remember, coming out from that tunnel is not an easy procedure. It will be through a narrow pipeline, isn't it? So one by one, those 41 workers will be brought out, and we are waiting for that miraculous visual. But what happens next, right away after that?